Okay guys, so we're still on thermal heat capacity here, and what I've made here is a pizza box oven, which is really good at getting the energy from the sun and transferring it into the box. It's been insulated in the inside, it's got some black paper, think why, it's got some foil, think why, think what kind of energy the sun is giving us. What type of energy transfer is that, which we've done in the past. Anyway, and then it's got some film on the top to trap all that heat. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're actually going to try to heat some water in this oven. Now, to start, I've got some water in there, and it's actually, it's not going to be heavy enough. Well, we'll try that in a second. We're going to take the temperature of that, and it's been in the sun a bit. It's 30 degrees. And if you want to see that, 30 degrees. So this is our thermal heat capacity equation right here. And I've drawn it already for you, so I don't have to do lots here. But this means change in temperature. So the start temp is 30. I'm going to do that there, because then we can calculate the temperature rise once it's done. So also, by the way, there's 80 millilitres in there. 80 millilitres of water is 80 grams, and that's our mass. To figure out how much energy is transferred to our water, we take the mass, we times it by the thermal heat capacity, and we times it by the temperature change. So we're going to heat it, and the temperature will change, and then we just plug in the numbers. My gosh, it's hot. So let's get going on this. Let's put the water in this tray so it will actually fit in the oven. Let's open the oven up. It's nice and hot in there. We'll put the thermometer back here so it's not in there during the thing. I'm also going to cook my lunch. I've got some cheese on a biscuit. I prefer melted cheese, you see. That's a lovely smoked cheese in there. So that's going to go in. Now, if you make this at home, which I think you should, then you're going to want to use a new pizza box oven, not one from recycling that's all crappy around the sides, because I'm losing heat. It could be better designed, this. So, I'm going to put that lid back, put these back on here, if they hold it. They're not holding it, which is fantastic. I'm going to get some water to weigh it down. Woo! Hot. There we go. That should do it. So you want to get the angle right, so you're getting all that lovely energy from the sun. Now the sun's quite high right now, so it could be that we lose that in time because of the movement of the sun. So that's in there, and I'm actually going to start the timer. Now this is important because later on I'm going to show you how we calculate the power of the oven. So I'm going to start the timer, and there you have it. It started. I'm going to put that in the shade so my phone doesn't explode, and I'm going to stop this video and we'll come back when I feel like when the cheese is melted.